Welcome to the Classroom Guidance channel, your one-stop shop for all career-related news, updates and exciting events this Easter break. Sit back, grab a cup of tea or coffee, we don't judge, and let's look at these golden opportunities. If you want to do engineering and you feel the H4 is out of reach, then the Mathematics Competency Test hits TU Dublin. If you're eyeing TU 805 engineering, this one's for you. Revision sessions are on the 14th and 15th, but the exam, that beast happens on Wednesday the 16th. Crunch those numbers because a decent result in this and you'll be over the first hurdle. Maynooth University Free Math Support Centre on Monday, April 14th from 6 to 8 p.m. Everyone's welcome except shortcuts to bypass the quadratic equation. Next up, STEM campus at Trinity, because who says science isn't fun? From April the 14th to the 18th, you'll be developing your curiosity and creativity from 10 to 2 p.m. daily for just €305. You'll undercover passions, build friendships and maybe blow up a test tube, safely of course. Calling all future Saul Goodmans on Tuesday, April 15th, the University of Limerick School of Law invites TY students for a campus day loaded with legal goodness. Taster lectures, moot courts and questionable courtroom dramas await, all from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. The places are limited, so channel your inner speedy solicitor and apply pronto. Move aside, Pac-Man, the ladies are here to conquer on Tuesday, April 15th. Girls in Gaming kicks off at the National Esports Centre in Cork from 10 a.m. Expect inspiring guest speakers, thrilling competitions and live gaming experiences. Ignore the Cork traffic and get to it. Ever wondered how electric picnic is done? BIM explains all. They're hosting a virtual workshop on Tuesday, April 15th from 2 to 3 p.m. to teach you the ins and outs of festival planning. Join the Zoom chat for scoops on eco-friendly gigs and backstage gossip. But remember to book early. If you fancy yourself as the next Einstein, UCD's Amazing Science Degree webinar is on April 15th at 4 p.m. If you're curious about topics such as biomedical sciences or sustainability or maybe maths and physics, then register for this one. For the well-read, worldly, wise and philosophical, April 16th is UL Arts Day. From subject advice to Erasmus chats, you'll be meandering through lectures like a pro. Limited spots, so book early. Love the idea of the science streams, but need to see the real labs? It's sorted. UCD opens its doors on April 23rd with in-person chats with science students doing everything from maths equations to hatching sustainability plans from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Guidance Counsellors webinar by Hibernia College is at 1 p.m. on the 23rd of April. Horticultural Apprenticeship Live webinar for the Green-Fingered Dreamers. The National Botanical Garden spills gardening secrets on April 25th, just after lunch at 12:45 p.m. Calling all go-getters for the Dublin Jobs Fair on April 26th at the RDS from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. with loads of employers and networking opportunities and plenty of CV potential. Get your best shirt ready. Phoenix Park's cherry blossoms won't last forever, but Experience Japan will blow your socks off on Sunday, April 27 from 1 p.m. Martial arts, music and more Japanese food than your local sushi spot. And there we have it, Easter break wrapped up. Whether you're an aspiring engineer or barrister or someone just looking for free samples in Dublin's careers fairs, there's something here for everyone. Like, subscribe and follow and enjoy your well-earned rest. Slán.